You've probably heard it a number of times that the money is in the list, and this is exactly what they are talking about. Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my SendPrimo review. We are going to be taking a close look at SendPrimo, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best possible results with SendPrimo. SendPrimo goes live on the 7th of November by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So SendPrimo is an autoresponder. It's a software that allows you to manage and contact your list. So in a nutshell, this is a money making software. So this allows you, just like GetResponse or Aweber, to manage your list, build your list. You can actually import your list. You can actually import a list from CSV, and then you can have your list here, and then you can actually start mailing your list, start managing your list, and all the good stuff. So this is a full-blown autoresponder. The advantage with SendPrimo is you would not need to pay monthly fees. This goes for just a one-time fee, no monthly fees, as in the case of Aweber or GetResponse or any other premium autoresponder. So you are getting a premium autoresponder without having to pay monthly fees, and you still get all the benefits. Now, this also comes with inbuilt SMTP, meaning that you still don't have to pay monthly, and which is what I think is pretty cool. So I'm going to take you, this is the dashboard, this is what it looks like. I'm going to take you through it in a short while, but right now I'm going to go through the custom bonuses that I've carefully designed, I've carefully put together just to ensure you get the best possible outcome with SendPrimo. So the first bonus, one of the issues you are going to face as a newbie marketer, someone who is trying to get started, is building your list. Is going to take you some time, and it's going to take you some money, but I'm actually helping you out. I'm going to be giving you my responsive email list of up to 800 plus subscribers, and then you also get an autoresponder software. This bonus is valued as almost $3,000, but you are going to be getting this for free as my first bonus. So you can actually just go ahead to SendPrimo, upload this, and then you can actually start sending out emails to your subscribers. Now, also bonus number 2, I'm going to be showing you how to do the same thing, how to do email marketing from your WordPress website. So if you have a website and it's a WordPress website, I'm going to show you how to do email marketing, manage your list, send out promotional emails to your subscribers at any time. I'm going to show you how to do that right from inside of your WordPress website. Also, you wouldn't have to pay monthly fees. You wouldn't have to pay monthly subscriptions for you to be able to use this service and mail your subscribers. Also, bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based traffic software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Facebook. And not only that, it allows you to put everything on automation. So you can actually schedule this. You can even manage pages and businesses for other people. You can manage Facebook pages for other people. You can offer this as a service on marketplaces like Fiverr, and ultimately make money with Facebook. So you're going to be getting access to a page builder also. And this allows you to drive a ton of free traffic to any affiliate link to start getting paid within the shortest possible period of time. Also, bonus number 4, you are going to be getting access to a training that shows you a number of ways that you can actually make money, with videos without you having to show your face on camera. Also, bonus number 5, you are going to be getting access to a premium bonus page and delivery page creator. Now, one of the ways that's actually proven that will allow you to get a ton of sales is by offering bonuses. What you're looking at right now is a bonus page, and the same software that creates this bonus page with done for you bonuses, done for you graphics with delivery. You are going to be getting access to the same software that allows you to create these bonus pages. If you want to add your own bonuses, you can, but you're going to be getting access to a ton of bonuses that you can actually start offering immediately to get you started with profits within just a few minutes. Also, bonus number 6, you are going to be getting access to a cloud-based software with done-for-you product reviews. We are talking about ClickBank, Warrior Plus product reviews that you can start using and start profiting from. Now, you don't have to create your own content. All you need to do, like in the case of ClickBank, go and get your affiliate ID, which is your username essentially. Come and add it to your profile, and then all these done-for-you product reviews become active with your own affiliate links. Also, bonus number 7, when you're actually sending traffic, it's actually the best practice to send your traffic, your visitors, to a squeeze page first, which is commonly referred to as a landing page. And then this is where you can actually build their curiosity about what they're going to get if they give you their email. This might be your affiliate link on the thank you page. Now they will need to give you their email addresses, and then they get redirected to this affiliate offer. Now the benefit is that you get to keep their emails, and then you can actually mail them later with the same offer as a reminder in case they didn't buy on the first visit, or you can even keep sending them similar offers. And this is exactly how to make money with affiliate marketing. That's the secret of super affiliates. So you're also going to be getting access to done-for-you lead magnets that you can actually give, and this would actually make people give you their email addresses before they get redirected to this giveaway or lead magnet that you're giving them. So this allows you to build your list while making money with affiliate marketing. You are going to be getting access to professionally done templates in a cloud-based software that allow you to get started only within minutes. Also, bonus number 8, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, and there's a ton of them. You are going to be getting access to the vendor bonuses. Now, how do you lock in all these bonuses? All you need to do is, once you log into your Warrior Plus, you go to your purchases, you find SendPrimo, and then you find my bonuses right next to it also. Now, to claim them now, all you need to do is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you do that, it's going to take you to the sales page of SendPrimo. This is where you're going to be able to pick it up, and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based AI autoresponder. So here it says, cancel your autoresponder monthly subscription now. The first ever AI-based email marketing platform to achieve your desired open rate and click-through rate at 0 monthly fees. First ever smart autoresponder with inbuilt SMTP, which is actually cool, because if you are going to be using SMTP, normally is also monthly subscription. So, but this comes with inbuilt SMTP server that empowers entrepreneurs and business owners to send unlimited emails with just one click. Now, no need to spend on expensive third-party SMTPs. You get access to unlimited emails, free email verification, unlimited list imports, high email deliverability, completely cloud-based software. So feel free, come check out the sales page of SendPrimo in your own time. The moment it goes live from 11 a.m. On the 7th of November, and you are going to find proof of results right here. You've already heard that the money is in the list, and that is the secret of successful affiliates. So come check the sales page out in your own time. So I'm going to take you back to the dashboard once again. So this is your list section. If you go to lists, you can actually create a new list, and then you can give your list a name, display name. You get access to manage your list right there. Let's say you want to import your list. Of course, you need to create your list first. So let me just go to the lists that have been created, and then you find out here. See, these are some lists that have been created now. If you come here now, you can actually click on import, and then you can actually import CSV or SQL, which is database structured query language. That's for data. You are importing from a database, or you are just importing CSV, which is Excel, if you know what I'm talking about. So the list I'm going to be giving you in my bonus number 1 is actually going to be CSV. You understand? So you can actually import that, and then you are well on your way to start making profits with affiliate marketing. So it's very easy to use. You want to create a campaign, you can actually, if you go to all campaigns here, you can see the campaigns that you've created before, and then you can actually click on create new. You get access to email templates that you can actually use. You can create new templates. If you go to templates, you get access to templates, and then you can actually, you can still upload your own templates and stuff like that. So this is flexible, and this is so easy to use, and basically anybody can use this and take advantage of SendPrimo. So right now I'm going to show you the pricing and then the optional upgrades that come with SendPrimo. The front end that gives you the autoresponder itself goes for a one-time fee of $17, which is cool because there are no monthly fees. OTO1 is the SendPrimo Pro that goes for $37. You can decline and pick that up for $27. You get to send automated sequences, premium email templates. You get access to up to 100 done for you templates, advanced analytics, commercial license, and so on. OTO number 2 is the SendPrimo Max that goes for $47. You'll be able to decline and pick that up for $37. You get dedicated IP for best email delivery, no hourly limit on your SMTP account, advanced email template builder. OTO number 3 is the Prime Voice, text to speech. This is text to speech software, basically in up to 64 languages and over 400 voices. OTO number 4 is SendPrimo Agency. That's $197, but you'll be able to decline that and pick it up for $97. You get to create unlimited accounts for clients, charge monthly or one time at your own pricing with SMTP built in, also done for your website to sell SendPrimo. The final upgrade is the SendPrimo White Label that goes for $197, and you'll be able to decline and pick that up for $97. And this allows you to launch your own email marketing service company, use your own domain and logo. So you can actually change this. Instead of SendPrimo, give it something else, give it another name, put it on your own domain, and then sell this, as your own service and keep 100% of the profits. Also, right here on this bonus page, you'll find the full demo of SendPrimo. Right now, that's going to be my review of SendPrimo. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.